guys, welcome to your BPC's Lifestyle segment this week. I'm Taylor and this is
Sarah, and we're here in the lab because the Science Student Council has brought Bill Nye to Western this week, so we thought we'd do a few science experiments ourselves here. So I guess we'll just jump right into it because we love science. We've got the flying tea bag. So what you're gonna need, do you wanna hold this?
Sure. What do we need?
You need your regular run-of-the-mill standard tea bag. And what you're gonna do, it's no big secret, you're gonna cut off the top like this.
Okay.
So you have that. Then they usually unfold and you're gonna dump out that. Save it for later. No waste here in the lab.
Can you drink tea without the bag?
Yeah, it's loose leaf now.
Sure.
Just like that. And then we're gonna make little cone type things.
Okay.
Got both of our
So they're both standing up. They're both empty.
Tea bag rockets. All right.
No, what's gonna happen here? Actually, maybe don't tell us what's gonna happen. Let's see what happens.
Yeah, and I'll explain to you after this magic that is science. Okay, ready?
Okay. So she's igniting it, diving in.
Got it going. Got it going. So as we can see, they're gonna go. 3, 2, 1.
Blast off.
And just like that.
They've been petrified.
It's pretty cool. So,
Oh, you may have not caught that, but they actually flew up in the air.
ready?
They lifted off.
So, what we have here is kind of like an ash frame. So
what exactly happened there, Sarah?
all right, so let me tell you, Taylor, what happened there. So we lit the tea bag on fire, and what happened is the air inside the cone got less dense than the air outside. So the molecules inside the cone started moving faster, moving faster, moving faster, getting less dense. Meanwhile, the air outside is same temperature, so it remains more dense. So then you have a sort of convection current working on this kind of tea bag. And what it does is the cold air lifts it and then rises it up. And because the tea bag is just a little ash frame at this point, it's really light. So
yeah.
The cold air is able to lift the hot air kind of pocket into the sky, and we have liftoff.
Wait, what was that word again? Convection what?
Convection currents. So exciting. Yeah, so that
was
was
so
a little
cool.
science for you.
Wow, thank you for showing me that, Sarah.
No problem. Anytime.
We're going to take our next experiment outside.
Next experiment, Taylor's going to show us what happens when you mix Mentos and Diet Coke.
Never seen anything like this before.
All right, so Taylor's going to show us what happens when you mix Mentos and Diet Coke. We've got a little chemistry going on here, so Taylor, walk us through this one.
Okay, so this one's called the Mentos Diet Coke eruption. What you're going to need is Mentos, standard. Don't cheap out, get actual Mentos. There was 10 in here, but now there's 7 because I've had this for a week. And the standard Diet Coke. You have to get Diet because it has the right amount, has aspartame, potassium benzoate,
yes,
and CO2, which we all know every pop has. But this one has a sufficient amount of it. Okay, so basically what's going to happen is the combination of the two ingredients of both the Mentos and the Diet Coke is going to cause an energetic eruption, which is classified as nucleation.
How exciting.
Very exciting. Now, the mint Mentos work better than the flavored Mentos because there's no candy coating on them. So what you have here is more surface area to allow for the reaction. And there is small little dimples on this, similar to a golf ball, which also help because the ingredients here, most of the CO2, help to react quicker to the Mentos. So when these two combined, we have combustion.
All right, so let's see how this goes. Okay, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Science rules. That was awesome!
Woo. A little wet.
All right, let's see. How you doing?
I'm good. I got a little soaked. I was expecting to go. I didn't get as many out as I thought I would. But
This looks delicious.
it's happened exactly how I thought it was going
I
to.
dare you to drink it.
So that affirms our hypothesis. So
Scientists, you better check your hypotenuses.
there you go. There you have a good nucleation right there. Sorry
Okay.
if I offended any scientist out there.
This is a sticky mess we've got ourselves into. All right. Well, that was Taylor and Sarah. Clearly, we're going to leave the science to Bill Nye, I think, because we've got a long way to come. But try these out at home. Be sure you move out of the way if you're checking out this Diet Coke Mentos thing.
Always have supervision. Check out Bill
Adult
Nye.
supervision, for sure.
Yeah. So I'm Taylor.
I'm Sarah, and this is your science-themed lifestyles report for the week. Thanks, guys. Bye.